Cutler Botanic Garden is located in Binghamton, New York, with land donated to Cornell Cooperative Extension. This year, we're a proud participant in the AAS STEAM Garden Display. Here is marine biology with a snorkeler dotted with fish made with AAS celosia. Mendel's square, talking about dominant and recessives, is demonstrated here with petunias. DNA sculpture made out of grapevine is depicted here, showing the double helix of the DNA. As we proceed through the garden, you'll see varieties of the AAS celosia burning ember and a variety of other flowers. As we move down, we are highlighting art as one of our STEAM focus. There is a picture frame depicting cosmos, and next to it is a paint palette showing a variety of colors popping through, including AAS Flamma Orange celosia. As we move over to our science exhibit, Galactica paint depicts a constellation of the Big Dipper. And of course, no display would be complete without the Fibonacci spiral. Technology and engineer is represented through a kite with a metal key showing a lightning bolt hitting the ground. Science, technology, engineering, art, and math have all been depicted throughout the garden. As we move further down, you'll see simple math, where equations were created in the beds with AAS flowers to demonstrate simple math concepts. The AAS bed at Cutler Botanic Garden is 110 feet long. We have been dedicating this garden to our partners at AAS for over 30 years now and are proud to be a participant in this year's STEAM Garden Display.